Yeah.
Where you going with?
Yes, sir.
Where you going with?
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah, me have a forward only today. Yeah.
I'm doing.
Yo, it seem like in a joking thing, you know. Seem like in a joking thing, you know. Realize I'm serious, you know. Cause you know, come up here, come give me some fuck and say, yeah, well, come back in certain time back. You just a stay away and just a frustrate me, you know, yo.
Yeah, I'm mad out here now.
Me a mad out? It's alright. Me a go show you madness. Yeah? Cause you take a picture. What?
Me ask you.
You ask me?
Yeah.
Yo, I want some fuck. That's all. Want some fuck. So come up, come give me some fuck. You can come up and go down back. You hear that? You hear me, sir? Yo.
Yeah.
So when you come?
Eh?
When you coming?
Eh?
When you coming up?
No, no.
Let me not tell you, so if you come give me some fuck and you can go back. Me don't mind what much fuck you get in your hole, you know. And me open the hole, so I want some fuck you. Come like you're under bandage, like you can't left because you're under. I want to you. You think the boy used to fuck you before me? Yeah?
Hey, one thing, you know, there's an asshole thing.
Where's the call?
None. Alright.
Yo, I want me regular fuck you. That's fair, I make me just get mad enough and me will do crazy thing when time I can't get my fucking out. You hear me say look a while? I think one man cannot get it him and I me start it. Look like, oh, so you're rather a new friend over an old friend, don't it?
Brother, I'm not soon come up, brother.
Let me just a long time you tell me about the soon, I mean I see the soon around the corner and up on the street.
Brother, 2 days no matter that soon, brother.
Which 2 days? Which 2 days? If you're around a man, him and he can't give you fear to go where you go. Him where you see him around him. Eh? Where you see him a fuck you all. Hey yo. Me just get everything just come to my mind and just make me get up story. Yeah, kiss your teeth. Yo, if I bring me there now. If I bring me there now. Either me depend right now, yo. I know where him you know where fuck me up because me start fuck one wall. If me fuck whole heap of wall with you would come like 0 to me. When you all start fuck good now, you him a one man you stick to. Or the blood clot there, yo. The man was started in, you never want him go. Him nowhere in you. You shut him out. Him a man will just come get it. Him can wall and gone up. Yo, you just make me just a kill people in the yard. I put on my blood clot clothes, you know, but me I call if you make you know. Because if me come this and you know did it, I one bag go on. Yeah? And me not afraid that him the disgrace, you know. You think me afraid of it? If me afraid that me run left for so long blood clot time. Oh, So you can't stay there and play with somebody when he make up his mind, he no care a bumper clot. Already upon his mind, anybody push out them face and go on like them want get involved, gunshot. That's me. Yo. I know you not say nothing to me positive enough. Soon come now in a positive to me, yo. Me know so anytime from your gateway in a this thing, you gotta be a wild goose, Me know, My mind they just tell me,
Brother, you just have to be a foolish, brother.
Foolishness? I really see that in a life. What that?
That's why I'm going to chat in here, brothers. This year, just fuck with them youth. And they put, like a thing. I'm in a business, brother.
Alright. Alright. Okay, you're doing business. Alright, don't say what. Alright, have a nice day. They're going to show you who business now. You're bomb up. Oh, yeah. Yo, I'm coming to come kill a blood clot. You think I fun? Yeah, I'm coming to come murder your blood clot. Yeah, keep me balance, Yeah, keep me balance. Come and give you so many chance to go out and fuck. And me give you a chance. And you do all type of fuckery. And now you keep up your fuckery again. Don't make her get to the last one. You talk about intimidation last night? You did blood clot, no. Uncle, my family and my friend them, me talk to so long before me do things, yeah? So you get comfortable in me talking to you so many times. Alright, me go show you say where you there not safe. Watch me. Yeah? Me go show you say where you there not safe. Just watch me. Cause you feel like say you're safe. Me go show you say you're not safe. Cause you don't know that tunnel like me, yeah? You know, me walk them street where me a young bad boy flying at the 80s. Only even think to go in a bomber class roommate. Yeah? Me go show you something. Yeah? Cause me make 2 months from McKinley Christian come murder you, Don't fuck with me, McKinley Christian just behind you, We make 2 man walk around and come murder your pussy hole, And if a friend then get involved, then get it to, Cause McKinley Christian run all of them here a day, Me will Yo, you don't even know what you're doing, You don't even know what you're doing, I can't tell me about do him. You don't care. And that I said like a while. Alright, you know what I'm going to do. I go down on April and just make it be known right now. And then I come down there and show you how serious it is.